ngicela ukuthi ubaba uPopopeni ngaphambi siqhubeke by anything ngicela ukuthi to humble myself and apologize to you. You are my father and you are the legendary of music and you are the historian of the Nsonga culture, and we have been with you quite few years since I've been with SAPC and Roots SAPC 1. The unifier is within my blood, and because in the Roots show I was a presenter with Tebogo Mashayela from Limpopo. We got different cultures. Sinama cultures ahlukene where we present, and then sikwazi ukuhamba siye lengisho khona le kumavenda siyodla amashongololo lawa thina sathi ukuthi icabcaba idloko kodwa sasiya lena sifike sidla amasolo nje sathi icabcaba sabekezela ngoba yini nasilwela ubunye kodwa ke njengamanje ngifuna nje ukuyihumblisha baba ngithi ngiyaxolisa kakhulu la kwalumela khona. You are my father and you are the icon of the
Oh, that is so sweet. This is a moment, yes.